Number 1 tayo. Which of the following is not a macro skill in language learning? The answer is vocabulary. Number 2. What is the purpose of assessing macro skills in language education? B. To evaluate overall language proficiency. Number 3. Which assessment method is best suited for evaluating speaking skills? B. Oral presentation. Number 4. What is the primary focus of teaching literature in language education? The answer is cultural. Next, which literary genre is not commonly studied in language education? Science fiction. It's letter C. Number 6, how can teachers assess understanding of literature? B. Essay writing. Number 7, what is the purpose of developing language and literature learning materials? To facilitate language acquisition. Number 8, how can teachers ensure the effectiveness of learning materials in language education? B. Include interactive elements. Number 9, what is the primary goal of teaching speech and theater arts in language education? B. Enhancing public speaking abilities. 10, how can teachers assess students' performance in speech and theater arts? C. Role-playing activities. Number 11, what is the importance of language education research? B. To improve teaching methods. Number 12, what is the purpose of literary criticism? A. To analyze and interpret literary works. 13, which approach is not commonly used in literary criticism? C. Behaviorist. 14, how does literary criticism contribute to language education? A. Enhances reading comprehension. 15, what is stylistics in language education? The analysis of literary style, letter B. Number 16, how does discourse analysis contribute to language learning? D. None of the above. Discourse analysis, most of the conversation in context. Okay, number 17. Which aspect of language is studied in stylistics? All of the above. What is the role of campus journalism in language education? All of the above. Number 19, which type of writing is commonly practiced in campus journalism? Letter C, news reporting. 20, what is the term for process of analyzing and interpreting data to uncover patterns and relationships? C, data analysis. Number 21, who is known for their theory of multiple intelligences, which includes linguistic and logical mathematical intelligence? C. Howard Gardner. 22, which of the following is not a type of qualitative research? B. Survey, because it's quantitative. Next, how can campus journalism activities benefit students? A. Enhance critical thinking. What is an example of technical writing? What is technical writing? C. Writing manuals and reports. Yun yung best example. Kasi, yung poetry at saka yung poetry ay under ng creative. Academic writing naman, yung mga thesis and research. Which skills are essential for technical writing? All of the above. Technical writing. Okay, it's okay, saglit. Okay, if we are pertaining to technical writing, di ba formal? O, sige, kung ayaw ninyo, okay. Ang clarity at conciseness ay tama, BNC, essential siya. Pero the creativity here na pinatutukulan ay hindi naman yung mga bula-bulaklak. So, paano kaya? The choice of words. The formal choice of words. So, all of the above natin. 26. O at least alam ninyo ang difference, ano? Pero yung creativity tinutukoy dito ay the choice of words. How does technical writing differ from other forms? Emphasizes clarity and precision. C. Which of the following is not, na ulit, a macro skill in language vocabulary? Next. What is the primary goal of teaching macro skills in language education? Okay. The answer is developing overall language proficiency. C. Which assessment method is most suitable for evaluating speaking skills? Oral presentation. Next. Kita ba ng mga nasa likod? What is the main objective, lakihan pa natin, of teaching literature in language education? Exploring cultural perspectives, letter D. Next, how can teachers assess students' understanding of literature effectively? Essay writing, letter B. 32. Why is development of learning materials crucial in language education? C. Facilitating language acquisition. Number 33. How can interactive elements enhance learning materials in education? Encourage engagement. Letter C. Next, what is the primary focus of teaching speech and theater arts in language education? Developing public speaking abilities. Letter B. 35. How can teachers assess students' performance in speech and theater arts? The answer is role playing. What is the primary purpose of language education research? Improving teaching methods. Letter B. 37. Which research method is commonly used in language education research? All of the above. How does language education research contribute to teaching practice? B. Informs evidence-based decisions. 39. How does literary criticism enhance language education? It develops critical thinking skills. 40. What is the primary focus of technical writing in language education? Ayan. Writing manuals, example ito, and reports. 41. Which of the following skills is essential? Ito naman yung na iba yung choice. Wala na yung conciseness. So, alam nyo na clarity. Okay. So, yung creativity dito, hindi na nakaspecify yung choice of, yung wordings ay, yung tawag doon, anong term sa creativity pa? Play of words. Hindi clear yung yung creativity sa, ito ay creative. Writing. Play of words. Yung kanina, kung babalikan natin, anong number yun? Number 25. Hindi rin nakaspecify dun sa all of the above. O sige na, sa 25, kung ang sagot ninyo ay B and C, tamaan na rin. B and C or B or C, sige na, yung hindi clear yung question. Pag all of the above, okay din. Okay. Pag iyang sagot, okay, kung ang sagot mo ay B, C, D, tamaan mo. Kung ang sagot mo ay A lang, ang hindi. O, ayan na ha. O, malinaw na tayo. Next, 42. How does technical writing differ from creative? Okay, emphasize ng factual information and technical. Ang creative naman ay expression ng sarili or ng self. creatively. How can technology enhance language education? All of the above. Next. Which technology tool is commonly used in language education for interactive learning? Online platforms. How does technology integration benefit language learners? All of the above. 46. What is the primary goal of translation in language education? It facilitates cross-cultural communication. Letter C. 47. What is the focus of this English for specific purposes in language education? It is industry-specific language skills. Habol, mag-check na kayo. Next, mag-exchange na lang kayo. 48. How does ESP differ from general English language teaching? Okay, so the answer is emphasizing on workplace communication. 49. How can teachers design ESP courses to meet learners' specific needs? You conduct needs analysis first. 50. What is the primary goal of remedial instruction in language education? B. Addressing language learning difficulties. 51. What is the primary focus of creative writing in language education? Yan. Fostering imagination and expression. 52. Which element is essential in successful creative writing? Creativity naman. 53. How can teachers encourage creativity in students' writing? Providing open-ended prompts. Which of the following tatlong beses, bonus na to, no? Is not considered a macro skill pag nagkamali pa naman kayo? Vocabulary. What is the primary goal of teaching macro skills in language ed? Developing overall language proficiency. Then which assessment method is most suitable for evaluating speaking skills? Oral presentation. What is the main objective of teaching literature in language ed? Exploring cultural perspectives. How can teachers assess students' understanding of literature? B. Essay writing. Why is the development of learning materials crucial in language education? It facilitates language acquisition. Letter C. How can interactive elements enhance learning materials? Encourage engagement. 61. What is the primary focus of teaching speech and theater arts? To develop public speaking abilities. Letter B. 62. Which is not typically emphasized through speech and theater arts? Reading comprehension. Next. Okay, how can teachers assess students' performance in speech, in theater arts? The answer is role play activity. And what is the primary purpose of language education? Improving teaching methods. How does language education research contribute to teaching practice? It informs evidence-based decisions. Which literary theory focuses on social and historical context of the text? Post-colonialism. How does literary criticism enhance language education? It develops critical thinking skills. And what is the primary focus of stylistics in language ed? It analyzes language structure. 69. What is the primary goal of translation in education? It facilitates cross-cultural communication. 70. What is the focus of ESP in language ed industry? Specific language skills. 71. What is the primary goal of remedial instruction? It addresses language learning difficulties. How can teachers identify language learning difficulties? All of the above. 73. What is the primary focus of creative writing? Fostering imagination and expression. And how can teachers encourage creativity in students' writing? Provide open-ended prompts. Which macro skill is primarily associated with written text? Reading. 76. How can teachers assess students' writing skills? Essay writing. 77. What is the importance of assessing macro skills in language? Evaluate overall language proficiency. What is the significance of teaching literature in language ed? Enhancing reading comprehension. 79. Which assessment method is suitable for evaluating students' interpretation, essay writing? Why is the development of learning materials essential? Facilitating language acquisition, and how can interactive learning materials benefit and enhance engagement? What is the primary focus of teaching speech and theater arts? Developing public speaking skills or ability, which is not typically emphasized through speech and theater arts, reading comprehension. How is language education research contribute to teaching practice? It informs evidence-based decisions. 85. Which literary theory focuses on social and historical context, post-colonialism? And what is the term used to describe the process of adjusting one's speech? Who is known as the father of modern drama? Mr. P. Ay, hindi ko pala na-edit. Which of the following is a type of stage where audience is on the side? Proscenio. Who is considered as the father of literary crit? Okay, si Aristotle yung classic. Ano? Classic, father of. 19. What is the term for process of converting written text from one language? Translation. Which of the following is a common translation technique? Translation. 92. What is the term for teaching English tailored to meet specific needs? English for specific purposes. 93. Which is the following is not a characteristic of English for specific purposes. Focus on general language. 94. What is literary device used to create comparison? Simile. Who is the author of the famous novel Pride and Prejudice? Jane Austen. Which of the following is not a common section of school newspaper? The Liga. What is the primary goal of technical? To inform or instruct readers. 98. Which of the following is not a characteristic of technical writing? Creative storytelling. 99. What is a term offered the ability to understand and produce language in social context, pragmatics, and last? Which research design involves observing and recording behavior in natural setting, descriptive, or without manipulation of the researcher? You count and you return. Let's record. Okay. If you're done, you can return. Can we record now? O, paki-return. Recount ng mabilisan.
Hindi po ba yung main objective ko for lecture
Tapos,
Tapos po, akala ko po kasi po, ay pepele rin po yung cultural awareness. Kasi po, literature and
what is the purpose of developing language and literature learning materials to enhance cultural awareness? So, ang sabi ay
ang correct answer po yung
language acquisition. Ilang beses na ulit?
Ay, ma'am, ito lang po kasi po siya ay may literature. Yung iba po yung wala.
Okay. So, pwede rin mag-visit ko nga, cultural awareness. Ito sa isa, ano yung question ng isa?
Yung iba po ma'am, wala, lang po ma'am, language of Tagalog.
Language lang?
Opo, yung lang po, language development.
Yung sa literature, may literature. Okay. Tamaan mo na. Sa literature naman may culture.
Thank you po.
Pwede na natin i-record? Okay, so this would be over 100. Paano nyo i-compute? Score over 100 times? Anong tawag doon? Tingnan nyo kung naka 75% kayo. Ang passing ay 75%.
75 items.
So 75, dapat ay naka 75 na taas. Pwede na i-record. I-record na daw po. Diba, ang sabi naman natin ng yung pag-uwi ng maaga ay depende sa inyong kooperasyon. Kung kayo ay laging may delay sa inyong mga ginagawa, ayan. O sige, i-record natin, uuwi na tayo. Hala. Abigail. Asha, sige. Carla. Ano score ni Carla kanina? 155 si Carla kanina. Next. Johanna. Christine. Jemina. Rose, Laika muna, Laika. 89. Rose. Rich Ryan. Shane. Pauline. Raisa. Angelique. Marian. Merlin. Brian. Sunshine. 90. Rena. Lizelle. Abigail. Patricia. Kathleen. Rose, Mama. Alea. Jackie Lou. Engel, wala na. Diana. Christopher. Sino nag-check na? Mariel. Wendy. Ano sperm? Ano? 14. 66. Lucila. Jocelyn. Dayan, Gail, anong sperm kanina? 115 at saka 78. Erica. Michael. Score mo kanina. 132? 132? 130. Rizalyn. 62. Abigail. Lovely Rose. Next, Lynette. Angel. Ira. Juby, Crystal, Isabel, Marcos Inigo, 85. Okay. Yung wala pang score, si Johaina, si Abigail, si Jackie, okay. At si Kathleen. Okay, final reminders. I will be providing you the copy of our lecture notes. Yung soft copy ko na lang siya i-forward para mabilis yung ma-distribute. Okay, and other materials that I have. Ano po? Then also, I will be submitting additional 50 questions. Actually, dun sa ating TOS, 67 questions po siya. So, I will be providing another question for your mock board. So, hopefully, you still review. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, habang nagre-review tayo, isave nyo na sa inyong isip. At pag nakalimutan na naman, ayun. So, with that, thank you so much.